Hello, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to discuss the Kittl alternative, best free alternative. Because right, as you can see, this Kittl is very easy to do. Even make designs very easy because there's already templates that you can use. If you don't know this Kittl, so you just select one design and you can edit immediately here. Here very easy. Even with the image, you can just type the image. You can easily replace using the same style. It's very easy. Now, the problem here, this is for a paid version. There's a free with only 20 credits for AI and 5 projects only. There is no daily, like a daily free tokens, free use like that. So you need to subscribe. If you're looking for an alternative, so this is a playground.com. So they're using the same style. They're using a templates that you can edit easily. But here you can create, I think, a daily 50 per day, 50 designs. The good thing about here, there's a free designs, and in the terms, we hereby assign you all rights, title, and interest to such assets for personal and commercial use. So that's the good thing here. There's a free version daily you can generate, and it's for personal and commercial use. This is the important one if we are going to sell print on demand. So right now, just go here to the design. There's a t-shirt. There's a different category, even stickers, memes. So example memes. There are memes template, but you can use this one for t-shirt designs. Some like this. You can check also the other templates. Even like this one, you can put in the t-shirt. It's a box type only, but with text, funny text. You can use that one. Like this, it's also good in the t-shirt. Even if you use box type. But this one is pro if you subscribe using pro. But there's some free versions. There are many free versions in the templates here. So this is just the memes and stickers. So you can create stickers here. You can see the quality. It's already done. The prompt prepared here is very good. See this one. You can see the outlined contour, very smooth. And then card designs, but you can use this one in t-shirt designs. So just this one's pretty good also for Huawei t-shirt for cards. So if you want to create, just come here. For example, t-shirts. So this is the, for example, you want a style, bootleg style like this one, band. So just change tab to let's see. You can see the design. If you click export, you will see the whole view. Or you can change colors also. Resize or change colors. Maybe use this it's good. So you can play around with these color palettes. So if you want to download, export. So if you subscribe in Pro, you can upscale and remove the background already. Upscale 4 times. It's also already good for print on demand. But if you're free, so we can download this and edit in Photoshop. So just search your favorite designs here under the templates. Example is Valentine's. See all. So this February. So you will see lots of good designs. We are going to change this. It's change to it's See, pizza is my Valentine. So it's very good. So I can just export, download. Just go to explore again. This one, templates. Okay, just create many more designs. Especially this one is good pattern, but proportion. But this one you can use. You can change the image. Maybe you want different animals. You can use this. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, so you will get more updates from me. Okay, bye bye.